Everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about DMV driving test tips. If you're getting ready to take your DMV driving test, you're probably feeling a little nervous. But don't worry, I'm here to help. In this video, I'm going to share some tips to help you pass your driving test with flying colors. Tip number 1, practice, practice, practice. The best way to prepare for your driving test is to practice. The more you practice, the more comfortable you'll be behind the wheel. Try to practice in a variety of conditions, including different weather conditions and different times of day. Tip number 2. Know the rules of the road. It's important to know the rules of the road before you take your driving test. This includes knowing the different traffic signs and signals, as well as the right-of-way laws. You can study the rules of the road in your driver's handbook or online. Tip number 3. Get familiar with the driving test route if possible. Try to get familiar with the driving test route before you take your test. This will help you to feel more confident and prepared. You can usually find the driving test route on the DMV's website. Tip number 4. Be calm and confident. One of the most important things on the day of your driving test is to be calm and confident. Take a few deep breaths before you start the test and remember that you're prepared. If you make a mistake, don't panic. Just take a deep breath and start again. Additional tips: dress appropriately. Dress in comfortable clothing and shoes that you can move around in easily. You may also want to wear sunglasses to help you see the road better. Arrive on time. It's important to arrive for your driving test on time. This shows the examiner that you're responsible and prepared. Be polite and respectful. Be polite and respectful to the examiner. This will make the test experience more pleasant for everyone involved. Conclusion: by following these DMV driving test tips, you can increase your chances of passing your test with flying colors. Just remember to practice, know the rules of the road, and be calm and confident. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Bonus tip: there are a number of DMV driving test practice tests available online. Taking a practice test can help you to identify any areas where you need to improve.